Hey guys, I consider Lou a very intelligent person. Will? What are you trying to do here? Just a setup? It's like you read that line, and then the next line is
down. Yeah.
So therefore I can put up with the fact that he's terribly ugly. Like that's the next. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like he's a very intelligent person, and therefore
you know?
I can listen to him even though he's annoying and ugly, and he smells bad. You see, you can add all that stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna probably say that next. No, it doesn't. I want to ask him if he ever did an IQ test, and if he did, what is his IQ? I don't think so. Maybe I did one of those like online ones at one time.
Yeah.
But are those even
legit?
Equivalent? No, not really, right? I did not do an official IQ test of any kind. Maybe it's a whole new stream of content for us. We can do an IQ challenge, everyone in the studio.
Yeah.
No, I don't think. Are you signing up for that, Will?
I think we all should.
Wow, that's
even Otis.
Sounds like a serious challenge. No, I don't think I've ever done it, but I appreciate the compliment. What can I really say? Happy to have you on board here, Sandu. I mean, I feel, what do I feel? What do I feel right now? I feel complimented. That's about it. But I got to play it like Kawhi Leonard. It's about the team. You know what I mean? It's not about me.
You play to win.
It's not about me. I'm not, it's about the package deal.
Yeah.
It's about, they asked him, they're like, they were like, aren't you bothered by the fact that you're not the most famous player, even though you might be the best? And he's like, no, not at all. It's not why I do this. Like, I'm not doing this for that. He plays the game to be out there. And he plays the game to do his best, to play it right. I feel like that's you can draw some inspiration from that. Especially considering there's no shortage of individuals who encompass the alternative viewpoint, which is that they're the sole focus and then that they're the reason for all good things happening. So it's a bit refreshing. He's a different dude.
Yeah, super humble.
So I'm going to take the same thing on that. I only appear like I'm intelligent because of the team. Because Willie Do making me look fancy over there.
Yeah.
And Kirk flicking the switches over there. See, trust me, this is not natural. If you had to see what I actually look like right now.
Right, when you walk in,
you'd be out of here,